Hi everyone, happy Tappin Tuesday. This week's exercise is for my absolute beginners, or what I like to call my never too late people. Hello to my never too late absolute beginners. We are going to be doing a little paddle and roll work this month, and it'll be a good one for you. It's fairly easy, and we're going to take it nice and slow so you can really focus on making sure you're doing your paddle and rolls correctly. Now, very often these are also called paradiddles. I personally prefer the name paddle and roll. I'm going to turn sideways so I can demonstrate what it is and you can see what my feet are doing. So a paddle is a heel dig followed by a spank or a brush back. So you have your dig, brush. The roll is the step heel. So this is going to switch from foot to foot. You'll have dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. I have to put a little pattern together for things because we're not only working on the technique of the paddle and roll, we're working on memorizing patterns as well, which is something you have to do when you're learning how to tap dance. We are going to start with 7 paddle and rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you're going to take that left foot and do a stomp. So a stomp is a flat-footed touch. The toes and the heels are going to hit the floor at the exact same time, and it does not take any weight. So your weight is still on the right foot. You're just putting that foot down on the floor without any weight in it. And then we're going to hold a couple of beats, and then we'll do the whole thing again starting left. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stomp. Okay. From here, we are going to do 3 paddle rolls and a stomp on each side. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, and a stomp. Starting left, we go 1, 2, 3, and a stomp. Then we're going to do 1 paddle roll and a stomp 4 times. 1 and stomp. 1 and stomp. Again, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. And that's your whole exercise. So let's put this all together. So your pattern is 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm not sure if that'll help you. That's how many paddle and rolls you're doing, plus a stomp at the end. So starting with that right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Dig, brush, step, heel, 3. Dig, brush, step, heel, 5. Dig, brush, step, heel, 7. And a stomp. Start left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a stomp. Now we do 3. 1, 2, 3, stomp. Starting left, we have 1, 2, 3, stomp. Now we do our singles. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp, and hold. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp, and hold. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp, and hold. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. There we go. Okay, I'm using a little drum beat again this time. I like using the drum beats. I think it helps you stay with the music and without the distractions of the song. So try it with our drum beats. Five, 6, 7, 8, dig, brush, step, heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a stomp. Starting left, we go dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a stomp. Now we do 3. 1, 2, 3, and a stomp. Starting left, we go 1, 2, 3, and a stomp. Now our singles. We go dig, brush, step, heel, stomp, and hold. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp, and hold. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp, and hold. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp.